and tell me what can you see? Yes, good job. Desert, oasis, trees. Very good. Okay, now look at it and can you tell me what is this place and which animal lives here? Yes, because in this unit we will learn which animals live here in this place. Okay, now let's read. Did you know, here in this pink box, did you know that the Sahara Desert covers large parts of 10 countries in Africa? Okay, it's very big, but Antarctica is bigger. How big is the Sahara city? Do you know that? Is it more or less than 5 million square kilometers? Yes, very good. Okay, and how big is the Antarctica? Is it more or less than 5 million square kilometers? Yes, very good. The Sahara is 9.2 million kilometers square, but Antarctica is 13.8 million kilometers square. Aren't they very big? Yes, wow, what a million of kilometers. So now, can you tell me what kinds of animals live in the Sahara Desert and the Antarctica? Okay, well done. Penguins, seals, yes, they live in Antarctica. Okay, what about fox, gazelle, sheep, live in Sahara City or Sahara Desert? Yes, very good. Which animals live in Egypt now, in general? Yes, exactly. Camels, crocodiles, sheep, foxes. Excellent. Yes, very good job. Now, I want you please turn over the page.
Let's answer exercise 1. You will match the words to the pictures. How many words do we have? We have 3 words. Birds, lizards, insects. What about the first word, birds? Where are the birds? Very good. We can see them in the second picture. So please match the word birds to the second picture, the one in the middle. Where are the lizards? Good. They are in the third picture. Very good. So please write the word lizards and match it to the last picture. What about the insects? Where can we find them? Well done. In the first picture. So please match the word insects to the first picture. Good. Let's move to the next exercise.
And listen to the conversation between Mom, Tariq and Sarah. And we are going to write together down the names of the animals that we hear. So please prepare your papers and your pen. Okay, here we are. The title is Animals in Egypt. I want you to listen carefully and then read. Mom, look at all these animals that live in our country. Sarah answered, look at the crocodile. It's huge. Then Tariq answered, huge and scary. Sarah, I think the spider is scarier. Mom, yeah, but spiders are very helpful. They eat insects and farmers like spiders. Sarah answered, okay, what about the snake and the crocodile? They are dangerous, aren't they? Mom said, yes, that's true, but they do a very important job. They eat insects, lizards, birds, and this controls the number of these small animals. Tariq said, eagles do the same job. And Sarah said, the pelican eats small fish. Mom finally said, you are right. We sometimes think some animals are scary or ugly, but actually they are all important. Okay, would you please, can you tell me the names of the animals that you heard about in this text? Yes, write them down. Great. Okay, can we say them together? Crocodile, very good. Spider, insect, snake, bird, lizard, very good. That's correct. All of these in the text. Okay, now let's have a look at this question here. Why those animals are important?
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.